Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming network and device readiness. Make sure your iPhone or Mac and the TV or Apple TV are on the same Wi-Fi. This matters because AirPlay needs local discovery. Once done, enable AirPlay or screen mirroring in the TV settings so Safari can find the display. You also want current software. Update Safari and iOS or Mac OS. Then close background apps to reduce connection interference. This lowers lag and prevents playback errors when you begin streaming. Now you perform the actionable connection from inside Safari. On an iPhone, open the web page you want, tap Share, then choose Screen Mirroring or AirPlay to find the TV. On a Mac, use the AirPlay icon in the menu bar or control center while Safari is active. Select the TV or Apple TV from the device list, and if the TV shows a pairing code, enter it on your Mac or iPhone. Doing this pairs the devices and streams audio and video directly from Safari. Finish by verifying playback and knowing how to stop. Control video and audio with Safari's /pause and your device volume. This keeps navigation responsive. When you're done, stop mirroring from the Share menu on iPhone or click the AirPlay icon on Mac and disconnect. If streaming stalls, try one key troubleshooting step. Restart the router or toggle Wi-Fi. Then reboot the TV and source device. This often clears discovery and handshake problems without deeper integration.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.